hotter. Hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya know? New link and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
I got to delete that because it's like they turned down and it wasn't. I don't think you would hear what I'm saying. Well, I should have called before because you gave me your number on what Instagram so I could get to you. Anyhow, you said at the time it was too early to call you. Apparently, I don't know the time where you are, so I don't know when to get to you and not. So no, I couldn't get to the phone because my grandmother had to use the phone because her mommy is at work with her phone. She has schoolwork to do and things like that. So I get a little chance I can say that. Well, I follow you on occasionally and I need some help, to be honest. I'm not working from July 2017. I try maybe to opinion I'm a 62-year-old lady and I try to do the best I can. I used to do some little fry like chicken back and festival and so on and so on, but through the COVID everything is killing bitterly. My daughter used to do some selling too, but everything's down. Anyhow, she's doing a house about almost try to make it what she wanted to be, but trust me, even all the money she have everything done, so she needs some help. I try to get through to somebody, but then say whenever I have any help, they couldn't help me. So what I needed to do for me to can help me, I have my test glasses to fix. I don't know if I can, but I'm asking, but I ask then me never ask. And after run right through the part I decided so one of the frame drop off. So I need a little help to see if I could get it to fix it. My glasses due to fix from 2018, but through the money today, we can't get it because sometimes even want to change, you have to do other bills and so on with it. Because right now I'm a 35-year-old daughter. I have her daughter. She's the one that started helping me out, which I don't feel good because I can do my little things, but trust me, the money is there to do nothing. So I don't know if you can help me. I'd be very grateful if you could give me an assistance. So that me and my daughter, because she had deal with the house and I started hard, sticking my tell you. I couldn't tell the picture right and send come show you. Because in this time, it don't make sense. I'm not telling a lie. Not telling no lie. Everything I tell you from the best of my heart and the truth I tell you. So I don't know. When you link, I tell my daughter she's on the road. So when she come, I tell her, say, I want her permission because she's not a person that up in her media and thing like that. You understand? Because she gone to do some art tests and them thing because she went yesterday and say her blood pressure is 160 something and more and thing. So I don't know everything she worry about. So I wait till when she come, we just sit her down and we explain everything we said to me to her. Come and know so she now go say no, because she need help. She very much need help, really and truly need it. You understand? Because she asked me if we have to go in and I said no. You never say you have to go stand up in a video nothing and video yourself. Because the lie we tell. Because you only give you to come to Jamaica and me carry you come show your way. You don't say we not lie. Because it makes sense to tell you lie because one day it will find you out. You understand? Me not this struggle for long. Me had struggled with them without a father for years. I know when she needs me more. Me not never care because me have it for help her. Wait for the have it help her, but me have it. I know she need the help. But I know the one thing God will send me for her because she don't deserve it. She tell me some mama, they will buy the piece of all those. I'm going to say, can fix it up, make it stop parent. God, Lord, it's a good sweet, but I know Father God will help us some way, somehow. And I say, Father God is the head of everything that is done now. Without him, nothing can don't know. Nothing can go wrong when your father got in the best but fuck no link I beg you. Like I think it was so you can food not looking at not like you till I tell you about the truth.
Well. Bless up my people. Blessings. So now as I can see people and as I can hear and I see in the video definitely. Yeah. Families them I got through a tough time. You understand? So them I got through a tough time in Jamaica. And this family reach out to New Link people because to tell you the truth, the heart of New Link is anytime people reach out to me and say they want help, because as what the Bible said, ask and it shall be given, you know what I mean? And when a man asks, brother man come and ask, just a man, when we say man mean generally, anybody come and just ask, you understand, more than them got thief, or them go do things to get it, you get me I say, so when they come and they ask, you know what I mean? That's when New Link can say, John, and we do it. Well, people, as I can see this family now, they say they really need some help because things kind of rough on them. As the mother said, she break down in her tears or so here. Now they will like final part there and think people say her daughter try, you know, her best and thing. And as I can see, they have a house, so they show yeah, they might construct a house, but the house kind of dip on pause because the money just comes so boom and the money trash away. Which, when we're in Jamaica, you have a lot of people who may be in a worse condition than this, but you know what I mean, some family people they are trying and some people them not try. You see when I see a man a try sometime a push himself, them they are good people for help. Somebody who try. Some people are business because they expect everything a God just come to them like that. So they don't have to push, they just wait feet and just say something and it just come to them. But it should not be like that. You see a man who try and push when you want, those are the people who if you look into art and try to reach out to, because these family member people as I can see, they are trying, really trying, but the only thing that you know difficulties come their way and they really need some help. So I'm saying to anyone out there who willing from their heart and want to help these people, whether you're in Jamaica and you can give them some material or you can give them anything, whether some nail or whatever, some board or anything, you can give them some money, anything you can assist these people with. Their number will be below in the description and you can contact them personally. You understand? You can reach out to them. Remember that. And if you're there abroad and you're willing to help, you find it in your heart and say that you can help them, even if it's a 50, even if it's a 20, even if it's a 10, no matter how small it is, everything counts and everything can help. Give back. So you don't know the thing of my viewers and my subscribers. This is New Link and remember the number will be below and I'm going to even place the number. You will see the number here too. So you don't know from your heart. Peace and love and respect and remember, subscribe. Please do subscribe. I'm out.